Hi, my name is Peter, and I have one question for you. Did you know that you are in sales all the time? Find out why. I will explain you how to get rich doing it. Today we will speak about how to avoid mistakes by selling. Here are some common mistakes you should avoid. Go through them and think about them if you have some similarities with them. If you want to improve, you have to know where you are. Your intention is to sell. Your intention can never be a sale. Sales should be your goal. You need to realize this big difference and approach your customers accordingly. The customer is afraid that you are going to take his money, and when that is your intention, he can quickly feel it. Always focus on how you can help your customer. What can you offer him to be happy and satisfied? What solution do you offer for his problem? How will your product or service make his life easier? Why should he listen to you? How are you different from your competition? These are the questions you need to ask yourself before you decide to sell something. Always focus on the solution. Your intention is to solve a problem. Design of a solution without identifying needs. Without finding out the real needs of the customer, you will not be able to offer an adequate solution. Real needs have their emotional as well as logical basis. You have to work on both. Only on the basis of real needs will you be able to design a solution. Consider a visit to a doctor. Your doctor must first examine you. He should read your entire medical history to get an overview. He must ask you about possible allergies and other problems. And only after finding out all the facts will he suggest a solution and will write a prescription. You should think the same way. You should never offer a solution until you know the whole problem. Once you have all the information, then offer your solution that will be tailored to the customer's needs. Talk too much. It happens a lot that the seller has too much information about his product or service. This means that he is able to talk a lot about what he offers. He can explain all the details that relate to the product and often presents them. However, this is not what you should spend most of your time on. You have to pay attention to the customer and his needs. There's one rule that you must always remember. The interview is conducted by the person asking. So let the customer talk, and you just listen carefully. You are the one who must direct the whole conversation in the right direction to reach the goal. When presenting your solution, focus mainly on things that interest your customer. This avoids talking about the things that you already know but are not so important to the customer. As the saying goes, speech is silver, but silence is golden. Talk less and try to listen more. See the sale as an end. After the sales conversation, and when the customer leaves, there are very important questions to be asked. Was my customer satisfied? Will this customer come back to me? Will he continue to talk about me to his acquaintances? If I have taken all the necessary steps, my answer will clearly be yes. Otherwise, you need to think about where the mistake occurred. Your goal must be to build a system that will provide you with a sufficient number of customers to achieve your goal. Always try to ensure that your answer to these questions is positive. Only when you know that the sale does not end, but is just beginning, then you will be able to begin to fulfill your own dreams and wishes. This is a step that is very important for successful salespeople. Become one of them and continue to sell. If you've found that you sometimes make similar mistakes, you're well on your way to eliminating them. Be patient. You don't have to remove them all at once, but do it step by step. It's like training in a fitness center. You know about your weaknesses and will gradually start working on them to eliminate them. This can only be done through regular training. Let me know if you are in sales and check out my new book. You are in sales, so get rich doing it on Amazon. You find the link in description. Leave me a comment and hit the like button if you want to know more. Subscribe for the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.